Going.
The Planex.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's right. Right, so, how's that? Another Planex.
Another Planex. It is so feature rich, Warren. Have you got 3 hours? Because
Okay.
yeah,
Shall I get comfortable?
yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous.
Okay. This is a bit like the first Planex.
Yes.
Extendable.
Yes.
Okay. Because like my one here has got like 2 aluminium sections to it.
Yeah.
Yours has got 1.
Mine is a shorty.
Okay.
Yours is the
So I'm doing the
mid-size.
ceilings, you're doing the walls.
Yeah, sounds good.
Or I can take it apart. I can do it all.
And you can just morph. Yeah.
Morph.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I think what we'll do is we'll just do that bit first about how to take it apart and
Okay.
do the extensions, and then we'll look at the other green bits and stuff.
Just lovely. So I'm grabbing it over here.
Yeah.
Let's do that like that. I've got
Right.
this really expensive bit hanging off here.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Money.
Just gonna tweak that off.
Oh.
How good is that?
great.
How good is that? Just stays secure.
Yeah.
Stays locked in. But now this is where you want to secure the bottom bit.
Right.
Give you a little lever, just another twist, and then it's going to come apart.
Okay, let's have a go. So, I'm going to hold it here. Yeah. Hold it here.
Yeah.
Really?
You can do it, Warren. You can do it.
Can't do it. It's too... Oh, it's kind of released a bit, and then safely on the bench. Take it the rest of the way.
Yeah.
And it just pops out.
Just for those times when you're on a job, you're just quickly taking it apart, just to be double extra sure.
Yeah.
You've got both pieces safe and sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure the old one had like a lead or something that attached differently
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
This is all contained within the tube.
It's all one movement. So connecting it
Brilliant.
again,
Yeah, okay.
Hang on.
Pop it in, and will it latch on?
and that's secure now.
Okay, great. And then you can do the lever all the way around to secure it firmly.
Double lock. Yeah.
Brilliant. In fact, it's even got on the switch. When you move it, it's got 1, 2. Like, so you know there's 2 positions that you need to do, 2 movements
Yeah,
to swap it over.
just as a run. But this is a really nice short little sander run, because a lot of the times you're in a small room, you're in a little bathroom,
Yeah.
you want to just really quick sand the walls, sand the ceilings, and you don't want a long sander like that.
No.
So it's really nice to have the flexibility to go short, to go medium, and you
Yeah.
can even put 2 extenders in there.
I mean, even in like a small house, you know, you're going to need this maybe for like the stairwell and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Where you've got, you know, vaulted ceiling up to the top of the stairs. That's something that's perfect for that.
Yeah.
Cool. Lots of other green bits. I don't know which end to start at first. I'm going to start at the handle end actually.
That sounds good.
So we have our MMC.
Yeah.
Okay. So just run through again quickly what MMC stands for. We've got from 6 down to 1.
Of course, multi-material
Mm-hmm.
control. So
Yeah.
painted surfaces, slow the speed down. Harder surfaces like your plasters, you can turn the speed up.
Yeah.
So just play around with the different settings, different speeds. Fillers vary so much these days. Soft
Yeah.
fillers, hard fillers.
Yeah.
Use it to get the most efficient finish.
Brilliant. Cool. Excellent. And then we've got a number of buttons here.
Yes.
This just looks like an on and off switch.
This is the onboard control. On and off.
Onboard control.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
proper Star Trek. I like that. Onboard control. Okay, on and off. Okay. And then light button,
Light button.
and that we'll see in a minute illuminates the head.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And then got this. Looks like a Bluetooth button.
It is Bluetooth.
Right.
So you can pair this with your phone.
Yeah.
Festool work app now.
Festool work.
So you can
Okay.
pair this with your app.
Yeah.
You can register your Planex, of
Mhm.
course, get the warranty all inclusive.
Mm-hmm.
But also there's a lot of built-in features behind. You can monitor the temperature of the Planex. You can see the working time that you've run the Planex for. Just a nice bit of maintenance features in the background working, just to make sure this all works efficiently. Where you've last used the Planex, just in case you should lose it.
Where?
Yeah.
Like a geotag or something.
Like a geotag.
Oh, that's cool. Excellent. Where's my planet? Right. Okay.
You can adjust the light settings if you want a little bit dimmer, a little bit brighter. Do you want the light to come on as you switch the Planex on?
So you get the app on your phone. You'd adjust the light settings with your phone.
Yeah,
So cool. Excellent.
that is really cool.
Yeah.
It's a Festool work app.
First of all, okay, right, no worries. I will download it at some point and have a look at that. Turning around, we've got this green thing here.
Yeah.
You know, this is fairly obvious. This is to make sure the hose is secured.
Yeah, and it's
Really
just,
well.
you do not, this generates such a huge amount of dust, Warren.
Yeah.
If this hose slips off for even just 5 seconds, you've undone everything you've done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
all the containment. So hose slips on, lock it in place.
And it's got like a rose end on it, so it can't come off.
Yeah, we're
So-
getting a bit floral, yeah. So we've got a nice little rose end on that.
Flowers. Yeah, no, that's great. Brilliant. Okay, then below that is where the plug lead goes in.
Again, secure fixing.
Okay, so working down, we've done these green bits, done those green bits, coming to the, where all the work is done really, the
Yeah.
head here. I've got a green dial here, I don't need my glasses, and it's got two little houses, one at each end of the dial, and one's pointing to the wall, and one's pointing, and even I can work out what that means, but just to clarify,
Yeah,
we're moving this dial for different reasons.
that's it. Adjust the extraction as per where you're sanding, because this Planex actually supports itself on the wall.
Oh, okay,
Yeah. So it's 4 kilograms in the version that I've got,
yeah,
but weight means just absolutely nothing with this Planex, because this Planex is actually holding itself up.
oh,
So
okay,
you virtually just guiding the Planex around where you want to sand.
yeah. So you can stick it to the ceiling,
Exactly.
just got to move it around, that's what you've got to do.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing,
Yeah.
okay.
So as you move from walls to ceilings, you can tweak it, and it's just one dial, simple as that.
So it's just in the, just to clarify, so you want to put it to the ceiling end for more
Support.
more dust extraction.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, and then when you're on the walls, you can turn it down a bit, just in case it starts to stick a bit maybe,
Yes.
and it gets more difficult to move. Okay, brilliant. Okay, now, just going to peel this off. It's got a new pad. The old pad wasn't anything like this on the old
Yeah.
Planex,
Yeah.
or even on the Easy, I don't think. Is it the Easy?
Yeah, the Easy and the first version of the Planex, this is completely new from both.
Completely different. So we've got like, what looks like a thin pad on top here, and a bunch of quarter-turn fasteners, which I bet you'd use a Euro coin to move.
Exactly.
But I'm not sure if that's true.
Yes.
But whenever I've seen quarter-turn fasteners anywhere, it's always designed for using a Euro coin.
Yeah. 20 pence works a treat.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then it's just little plastic quarter turns by the looks of it, or very hard plastic because they've got to withstand a bit of heat.
Yeah.
Why? Why have we done this?
So just long-term maintenance.
Mhm.
It is a consumable part. It does wear away. So it's a lot more cost-effective to replace. So it's not replacing the whole backing pad. You're just replacing the interface pad.
Okay.
So your long-term running costs are so much cheaper. It has also got a stick fix coating, Warren,
Stick fix coating.
and that repels dust. So it just helps even extend the life of it, even though it's more cost-effective.
Sounds like magic, but it repels dust, doesn't
It
it?
does.
It does.
It does.
I like that.
I need that around my house.
Me too. So yeah, because the backing pads, we know they can be a bit pricey if you go through them, and you can easily ruin them if you're a little bit gung-ho with ripping your abrasives off and
Yeah.
putting them back and ripping them off again. So that's fairly inexpensive consumable
That's it.
to
And
replace.
it's also soft, because the modern day fillers seem to be really, really soft. So if you attack it with a hard base,
Yeah.
you're really going to be grinding it away. So
Oh.
that's just soft, so it attacks it, but just delicately
A little bit
getting
of
the
give.
best finish possible.
Brilliant.
And
Okay.
that is also a new 48-hole system, so you're getting so much more extraction. That helps. When you're sanding ceilings, that is one of the features that just helps suck the extract, the Planex up,
Yeah.
maintaining the weight.
So it's like multi-jet stream, but on a bigger scale.
Yeah,
From a 150.
jet stream
Planex. Yes. Good. Okay, so that, I think, have we covered pretty much this machine?
Just
and the
one
hose?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and this is the new for Planex,
Yeah.
is that you've got a random. Warren, come on,
Sorry,
let's clean up a bit.
I'm clean again.
And this is the first step for Planex, is random orbital sanding.
Oh,
So
okay.
even on those soft fillers, you can get a really good finish on it.
Oh,
Formal orbit, and you can get a great finish.
so the others weren't.
No,
Oh,
just purely rotary.
oh, was it? Well, this is going to have a fantastic finish then.
Really good finish.
Ooh, I like it. Excellent. Shall we fire one up?
Let's do
Because
it.
we've got probably the main feature and why this machine was updated still to see, haven't we? Really?
We have indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, are you ready to go with that?
I am ready to go. That's a bit noisy.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Just turn it off because are we going to do any sanding? Let's do a little bit. Okay, what we'll do is we've got a little plan here. We're going to get Matt to cut the lights so we can see this illuminated head on the sander in its full glory.
That's great.
And we're going to make some noise. And we're going to sand. There's a really rough bit up there, mate. So if you wouldn't mind going over that. Then, yeah, we're going to do that. So Matt, on the lights.
Lights out.
We're back in a minute. If anybody spots a deliberate mistake, email me and I'll send you a prize. But we're not going to say what it is now.
So what other sander can you use in the dark? That's the whole reason why we put the light on.
It's
Your
just-
power fails, you're in the dark, you can use the sander.
Exactly. Just keep on working.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I still want to keep you efficient, but also you can really pick out. I'll switch the light on without switching the sander on.
Yeah.
You can really see any imperfections in the substrate that you're sanding.
Yeah.
And so you can very quickly finish an area and know confidently when you can move on that you've achieved the finish that you want to do.
It's given the same effect as that. Is it STL 450?
Yes.
Is that what it's called? Which is the surface light, the long strip light that you put on a surface, and it shows you everything you've missed.
Yes.
And you can just go over it really quickly. So yeah, but it's in the machine, so you don't got to move the light or anything.
That's it. Yeah, you've got your brushless motor working really efficiently. That is just an absolutely gorgeous sander.
Yeah. Fantastic. Right, well, oh, actually, no, there's one other thing. I want to know, in the box, which we'll show you in a minute, in fact, there's a few other things, I'm getting a bit ahead of myself.
It just doesn't stop, does it?
It does, it just keeps giving, it's the tool that keeps giving. There is this funny little wristband thing.
Yes.
Oh, I can't get it off my mechanical hand.
Oh.
What's that?
Good going, good going. Have you sanitized your hands?
Oh, hang on. No, I haven't.
So we're working the whole day. As you can see, working like this,
Yeah.
you could potentially have the hose and your hand being fighting.
Got to get annoying.
Yeah, and working the whole day like that, that's just no way to work with a Festool.
Yeah.
So what they've done is you've got this little clip, clips into the handle, and it just keeps this out of the way. Hose and cable, just so that you can work more efficiently, more friendly, and that clips on like that, and it holds the hose out the way.
Didn't put it on properly, Al.
When you and there
Look
you
at
go.
that.
And look at that.
That is
That's
pretty
exactly
cool,
what-
isn't it?
It's just these small things that just just beautiful.
It's
Absolutely
real.
fantastic.
Ghostbusters, don't cross the streams thing, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. Fantastic.
Just a great bit of kit. And of course that comes in the storage sustainer.
It's a storage sustainer, the box that it comes with,
It does.
which
Yes.
I have down here, which
Yeah.
we'll have a look at now. Oh, hang on. We'll cut that bit out. So what we'll do is, here we go. We've got this sustainer here, and everybody knows I love sustainers. This is the double XL sustainer,
Yes.
and it's all fitted out, you know, it's just polystyrene inserts, everything. They've even screwed one of them down so that it won't move around or anything. And that'll come in here on that special wristband kind of thing, or what do they call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes in there. But there's another bit that comes with the Planex set
There is.
that you've got down there
Yes.
that I've never ever seen before.
And again, just so much thought, Warren. So you've got your Planex,
Yeah.
you've got your extractor,
Yeah.
but this is a beautiful machine. You don't just want to be dumping it down.
No.
So you want a little cradle. Now, Warren, I'm going to be coming over to your side.
You're not going to touch my sustainer, are you? Handle down.
Let's keep our social distancing.
Yeah, definitely.
And we're in. We're good to go.
Okay.
So,
Hey. So no just chucking it on the floor.
no, we won't be doing that with
You can rest it and you could turn it up the other way when you want to change a abrasive. And there's a little circular recess. Put your abrasives in there.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
And that fits on your extractor as well. So you've got your extractor in your bike.
Oh, okay.
Down on your extractor.
I noticed it's got like the classic sustainer feet on it. So
Of
you can
course.
put it on any extractor pretty much.
Backwards compatible, forwards compatible.
Fantastic. think we've covered it.
We have.
Brilliant.
We have indeed.
So there you go. That's the new Planex with lights. Thanks very much.